Hey everyone, this is Stephen KC Railpan here. Hope you guys are enjoying the holidays so far, because I'm having a good time enjoying the holidays. So what we have here is a little quick unboxing. I have another new rolling stock I want to share with you guys. So, as you guys know, this is an Athearn ready to roll local freight car. And here it is right here. This is what it is. It's a 60-foot bulkhead Flatcar. This is Union Pacific. I picked this up at my local hobby shop. It's a pretty interesting freight car because I'm really looking forward to unboxing this. So we're going to do a quick unboxing and see what you get. So it's very simple. You just open it out like this. It comes in this nice packaging. And it also has like these inside, you know, like all this, news, and also the instructions and all that. So, without further ado, I'll just slide this off. There it is. Very nice. Very nicely done. Because recently I did have a Bulkhead Flatcar once, but that was like an older run. But this is actually their recent run they did. I'm not sure when they were released, but it's really cool. So, I'll get this on top of the box so you guys can get a closer look of it. See how it is. Alright, so here's a closer look of the Bulkhead Flatcar. You can see it's got some pretty good details. It's got some nice details on the ladders, and it's got the big Henry scale coupler. The wood flat is really nicely done. I like how it's nicely painted, it looks like. Not much is seen on this side. I mean, it doesn't look realistic, but it's alright. You can see. Here's the other side. There's the brake wheel detail and everything. Coupler. So, and there's some of these. And I believe if you can also put like, you know, like threads and stuff if you want to make your own loads. So this is actually really cool. The scheme itself, closer look. This cushion load, Union Pacific. There's the under detail. Very nice. Yeah, if you just have it on the side, it just comes back up again. So since this bulkhead is empty, there's no load on it. So it's cool, so you just do that, and it comes back up again. It's very nice. So I'll show you the other side. There's some good detail on up here. Sorry, my camera can focus. Yeah. So that's basically about it. This is just basically a quick unboxing and overview of the Athearn 60-foot bulkhead, which in the Union Pacific paint scheme. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and have a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.